5 ways AI improves weather forecasting compared to traditional methods. Traditional methods relied heavily on satellite data, physical models, and a bit of educated guesswork. But now, AI is changing the game. 1. Enhanced data analysis. AI can crunch massive amounts of data from diverse sources, far more than any human could handle. We're talking about satellite imagery, ocean buoy readings, and historical weather patterns. This deep analysis leads to more accurate forecasts. 2. Predictive modeling. AI doesn't just analyze data, it predicts future patterns. By using machine learning, AI creates dynamic models that adapt and improve over time, making forecasts more reliable, especially for planning that next hydrofoil winging session. 3. Speed and efficiency. Speed is where AI truly shines. It processes and analyzes data in real time, providing up-to-the-minute forecasts. This is a game changer for responding to rapidly changing weather conditions. 4. Hyperlocal forecasts. AI can provide detailed forecasts for very specific locations. This means more accurate predictions for your local area, be it a city or a specific beach known for kiteboarding. 5. Predicting extreme weather events. Lastly, AI plays a crucial role in predicting and understanding extreme weather events. By recognizing patterns that lead to hurricanes, tornadoes, or severe storms, AI helps in preparing and mitigating potential impacts. So there you have it, folks. 5 ways AI is taking weather forecasting from a mere forecast to a precise science. Whether you're planning your next vacation in Mexico or just wanting to know if you should carry an umbrella, AI has got your back. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Canopy Crypto and AI for more tech insights and updates.